Yeah, so basically, this is a nanotechnology product. And all that means is that we're taking advantage of the properties of materials at the nanoscale. So very, very small particles of natural organic materials. So when you get down to the nanoscale, the optical and the electronic properties of materials change. And there's some really interesting things, of course, that are being done with this. And what I was interested in was the optical properties. So first, part of the job in research is figuring out what is the code that the human body is using in terms of light. So if we can measure the light emissions off the cells, then the next thing you have to say is, okay, well, what are these light emissions doing actually? How are they triggering different reactions? So the idea was, instead of using a cold laser or a lamp, could we use a passive device that's powered by your body heat, so it doesn't need any batteries, and will reflect the wavelengths of light that your body needs to turn on things like stem cells. And so in order to do this, I take natural materials, they're stereoisomers of amino acids and sugars, and they're processed in a very specific way so that crystals appear at the nanoscale. When these crystals, because they're so small, they can be activated by your body heat, and then they will start to reflect wavelengths of light that turn on stem cells, or in this case, increase copper peptide, which activates the stem cells.
Wow.
So everything that is in the patch is, in terms of the materials that we add, are organic and natural. And of course, we use recyclable plastic that is in the outside of the product. Yeah, so basically, this is a nanotechnology product. And all that means is that we're taking advantage of the properties of materials at the nanoscale. So very, very small particles of natural organic materials.